Hi, Jake with Diode Dynamics. Today in the garage, we're going to be replacing the stock halogen backup bulbs on this 2018 GMC Yukon Denali with our plug-and-play LED replacements. Now, backup bulbs are a simple upgrade to do, but on a big truck like this, especially one with tinted windows, those factory incandescent bulbs just aren't sufficient to safely reverse at night. Installation is plug and play and only takes a few minutes using basic hand tools. Let's get started. To get started with our LED backup bulb installation, we're going to be on the passenger side of the vehicle. Now, to remove these taillights, you only need a plastic trim removal tool and a T15 Torx bit to take out a couple screws that are inside the housing. So the first thing you're going to do is take your plastic trim removal tool and stick it just underneath this plastic shroud to the left of the housing. You'll peel up just slightly, and that'll allow you to grip this piece, and this will just pop out. You can essentially run your finger up the edge. And then we can just set that piece to the side. Now you can see here, we've just got two T15 screws that'll come out, and that'll allow us to pull the housing out far enough to access the factory backup bulb. Now once you've got your T15 Torx screws out of the way, we recommend reaching in from the left side and pulling back slightly, and then you'll wiggle the taillight a bit until you can get a grip on the right side, and that'll allow you to pull the housing out altogether. With our housing out, we can turn the factory reverse bulb counterclockwise, pull the bulb out from the housing, and then it simply slips out of the socket. Set that to the side. And then our XP50 will drop right into place. Now, the XP50 is polar sensitive, so before you completely reinstall the taillight, we do recommend checking for function. If it doesn't light up, it's not a big deal. Simply remove the bulb, rotate it 180 degrees, and plug it right back in. Now, when reinstalling the taillight, you're going to want to align the two screws on the right side of the housing, as there's two holes for those to go into. And then the whole housing should slip in as one piece. Reinstall the two T15 screws that we removed, as well as that plastic trim piece. Then we'll repeat all the same steps on the driver's side of the truck to finalize our installation. With our XP50 LED backup bulbs installed, we not only have a much more modern look that matches the overall appearance of this truck, but dramatically increased output at night. The XP50 produces 410 lab-verified lumens per bulb, so we're really going to be able to take advantage of that factory backup camera, and even if you don't have a factory backup camera, reversing at night will be much safer thanks to the dramatically improved rear-facing visibility. For more information on the XP50, click the link below or use our dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. Thanks for watching.